This is how to create SEO optimized content using ChatGPT that ranks. Start with the Google Ads Keyword Planner to find a keyword. For this example, I'm going to use eco-friendly skincare routine. You want to look for keywords with fast traffic potential. So for this example, I'm going to use eco-friendly beauty products, which is up 900%. Now we're going to go over to Google Search and check the People Also Ask section. Expand a few questions and copy them. Move over to ChatGPT and instruct it to write an article with the chosen keyword. I'm going to feed ChatGPT the brand-specific info and keywords that I took from Google. Once ChatGPT finishes generating the article, you can see that it used the keywords that I pulled from Google as headings. It also naturally included as many keywords as possible within the text. And now all there's left to do is refine the content. So I would add relevant images, product links, and review headings. And that's it. This process is quick and effective, and you can really churn out SEO optimized content easily.